Ryan and his team from 1A Sites have really been a joy to work with. They are an excellent company, um, very professional. Their customer service is top notch. Um, my old site was a good site. It was from a good company, but the work that Ryan and his team did from 1A Sites it far exceeded my expectations. The website they designed has helped my business tremendously. The site it works, runs very smoothly, very well. They always keep me updated. They're when if I have any questions about changes or anything, they respond right away and they give me great advice. Definitely a company that I want to do more business with, and I would highly recommend them. If you're looking for a professional website, whether you're in the window cleaning business, pressure washing, really any business, they will definitely help you. They are an excellent company to work with, and I highly recommend them. If I could give them a higher review, I would. I would give them 10 out of 5 stars. I definitely will refer them. I'm definitely very happy with the work they did. I thank you so much for what you did. It's really helped my business quite a bit.